Hello everyone and welcome to the Tech Guru, where we talk about all things tech and software. Today I'm bringing to you Envato Elements. If you click the link in the description box below, you can get access to the Envato Elements website that I'm on. So what is Envato Elements? You get a range of stock videos, templates, using different platforms like After Effects, Premiere Pro, different music, sound effects, anything you want to put on your YouTube videos or on your presentations, graphic templates using, Adobe Photoshop, graphics like patterns and icons for any brands that you're creating. Again, if you're a presentation person, all your templates are available as well. So there's photos, fonts, and many more. If you look down below, you can see there's obviously in purple wide range of different offerings for each different segment. So you have like 9.6 million plus photos available. So if you're someone who is very creative or that's something that your work requires, then I would recommend using Envato Elements. So why do creators choose Elements? Well, 16 plus million assets, completely unlimited in terms of downloads. You can get licenses to use them all the time, and you can cancel your subscription literally at any time. In terms of plans and pricing, there's quite a few. There's the individual plan, which is starting at 14.50 euros a month. Obviously depends on the tax and the countries you're in. There's 31% off. So for students, if you're a student, click on that and you'll get 31% off, And then for teams, there's 9.45 euros per month. And then enterprises obviously depends on how many people are in your team. They customize the amount for you. So there's a wide range of creators that have reviewed it and found it really useful. There's graphic designers, freelancers, videographers, even communications managers. So if that's something you'd be interested in, do check it out. So I'm going to show you how to get started on Envato Elements. So you want to click the Get Unlimited Download button on the top that I'm signaling at. You then go over and look at the subscription that you need. So if you're a student, click on the student. There's different ways to pay. So you can pay with the choice of your payment method. You can even use the Teams option where you can have multiple different people collaborate on projects. So it differs depending on the amount of people you have in your team. So if you have 2, it's $12.75 per month, for example. Alrighty, so we're gonna get you started. I'm gonna go into the creative option number 1 because I'm not a student, so I'm gonna click on that. And then you just create an account based on what option you find suitable to you. So I'll just use Google. You can sign in if you have an account, but we're just going to set a new one up. So I'm going to continue with Google. All right, so then I will go and proceed with the monthly option. So you have 2 options. You have yearly, which is cheaper actually in the long run. So it's 14.50 euros per month. So that's total 208.80 per year. But I'm just going to go ahead and do the monthly one for now. And then hooray, once you fill in your details and you purchase the item, the subscription, you're now subscribed and you have access to unlimited creatives at your disposal. So you just have to answer a few questions. So I'm just going to click on what I would be using this for. So let's say creator, because it's on YouTube, and then you can use different elements of Envato Elements. So if you like stock videos and photos and video templates, and then basically they're going to curate a feed for you based on your preferences. So you get fed what you pick, so you can use and get access to most beneficial templates for you. All right, and then you click next, and then it asks you what tools you would use to create your work. So you can click Canva, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Google Docs, and any others that you might use. And then that's it. And then finally, you're back into your account and you have access to everything that you'd like to use. So you have quite a few that they've picked out for you. As you can see, there's a few graphic mock-ups and Christmas designs. You can, browse it and see what you like. So graphics, if you want to see some backgrounds, you can browse those. So you can just scroll down and see if there's any that you find interesting in particular. Or for example, if you're looking for Christmas backgrounds or kind of themes, stickers, anything to do with Christmas. You can search and you'll just get all of them just show up. You can even filter them based on your preferences. I can even put down card if I'm looking for a Christmas card or if I'm looking for a Christmas poster. And then what you want to do is you want to click on it, and let's say I want to download this one because I'm going to use this as a postcard to send to all my friends and family. You can edit it. Obviously, it's a vector illustration. There's more suggestions at the bottom. But I think I'm just going to go ahead with this one. So I'll press download, and you have an option. So if you want to use it to, let's say, as a work, you can buy a license for it. I'll be talking more about this in my other YouTube videos, so please do keep an eye out for that. But for today, I'm just using it for friends and family, so I don't need a license for that. I can create a project, so I'll call it Xmas. I can add and download, but I'd rather get one without a license. So download one without a license, and then you click download and it gets saved into your folders right up there. There we go. So that's a little bit about how you'd browse it, just overview. If you're interested in videos, you can see there's a wide range of videos. So there's the irrigation system video that I'm playing right now. If there's any in particular that you'd like for your videos or illustrations, you can just literally just surf the options and even search it and use the filters. And I'll show you how to use the filters in the next few videos as well, and you'll get a better insight when I do the tutorial for beginners. Alrighty, so we're going to give a brief demonstration on the filters in this video. I can pick photos with one person. So let's say I'm browsing the photo feed, looking for one person images. I think I'm gonna like a pink background to the photo, so I'll add that as another filter. And as you can see, all the photos will turn into like a pink background. I actually wanted portrait, so I'll put it into portrait mode. There we go. All the photos are portrait. And then we have a few more options. So isolated or blurred, I'll click isolated, and you can get like isolated images. Alternatively, if you like blurred, you can get the blurred images as well. There we go. All right, so you can clear the filters, start all over, browse what you want, and literally the world is your oyster. If you find Envato Elements useful, you can switch the annual plan on the top right corner in red. I really do hope you found this video useful. Please do click the link in the description box to get your access to Envato Elements, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.